Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of L9AU493. This is a 2009 Audi S5. Andy here is getting the jump box hooked up. It's not even 8 a.m. yet, but we're putting in the overtime to get you guys the content you deserve. Is that cheesy enough, YouTube?
That's enough, YouTube.
A lot of good parts left on this car. She took a decent little pop to the front end there. Both these headlights we're going to have to pull out and see what's happened with them. Well,
they're all broken.
They're all broken. Never mind. Yeah, we got busted tabs. The 4.2 liter under the hood though does run well. Excuse me, gotta cough that COVID out. Just kidding. 19-inch wheels on this. It looks like we're gonna have them singled up. They're pretty rough on this side. Looks like
powder coat.
Pulled and powder coat. Nice, nice. Yeah, it looks like somebody found every single curb with this one. Does have a nice set of LED tails though. We're gonna get those all for sale. Oh, she was on a temp tag. That sucks.
There's a button.
Oh, there's a button. I was just trying to check out the trunk. There she is. Nice full-size spare tire kit. Man, this thing smells.
Yeah.
Air freshener for days. Wonder what they were doing in here, Audi owners. Woo. Hey, Andy, where's the... Oh, there it is. All right, let's fire this thing up. It's got 92,000 miles on it. Start, please. She doesn't want to start.
Hit key on the dash and hit the button on the power switch.
Okay, that was weird. There it goes. Yeah, okay. It didn't want to start with the key in it. That doesn't make much sense, but 92,586 miles, fires right up. Let's check out some of the MMI features here and see how they do. Yeah, navigation works well. There we go. Looks like all the radio set up. Switch engine off and check coolant level. We're just going to put this thing in gear really fast and make sure the transmission's good. Got reverse, drive, that all engaged as well. Let's fire it up here. I don't want to run it dry. Interior, let's check that out real fast. Should have a nice S5 seat set. It's got some very dark window tint too. Very nice condition though. This nice two-tone black and I guess we call it graphite. I'm not really sure what you would call it there. Matching door panels as well. We're gonna have that all for sale. That is going to wrap up the test video of L9AU493, our 2009 Audi S5. If you guys are looking for parts off this unit, you guys can, I'll leave a link down here. You guys can click www.jnjautorecking.com or give us a call at 800-425-1555. Up next, though, a super clean G-body. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.